The coffee pot's on, the welcome mat's out. We know what our being's all about.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough. Today I have the pleasure of showing you the Voltage Triton. This is going to be our 3531 model with closed garage, bath and a half. So I'll show you quite a few things. We do have the unit lit up so you can really appreciate the colors, the LED lights. Then we do have everything opened up for you as well here in the front. You do get still the 55 Onan on here, and then your enclosed battery is going to be in there as well. And then walking through on this side over here, you do get your propane tanks on this side. And then you can really appreciate the big awning that's going to cover up in this area. You do got your LED stripe in that area as well. And you do have two doors on this side as also. Going back, this is going to be a double axle, so it's a little bit lighter. You can potentially use a 3/4 ton truck. We just got to check those weights, so it's very important that we check that with you. So if you have questions about that, make sure you contact us. We do have the garage open here so that you can really appreciate the inside. The interior is still going to be pretty high end, and then as you can see, walking into there is that bathroom, which we'll show you here in just a minute. Now we are wired up for a backup camera as well, so we can get you a quote on any of those. You are still going to have your fueling station here in the back as well. And then you do have a 50 amp plug-in for this, so you can run the two ACs that you got on this unit. Then you do get a little bit of that lift that I've been talking about for quite some time now. Your exhaust pipe is going to be pretty high up there, so you're not going to have to worry about dragging that or needing any additional clearance. And you do have a storage compartment here. It is going to be a full pass-through. You can also appreciate some of the thick framing that they do on this as well. Obviously it's a toy hauler. Toy haulers are going to be really resistant, really heavy duty, especially the Voltage and Triton line. They build them pretty much equally the same. There's just a few minor difference in interior and like the ramp and that kind of stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look inside and show you all the great features in there. Take a look at this, guys. It's a beautiful layout. You got plenty of open space. You are going to have two slides here in the living room area, so plenty of room to walk around. You are going to have plenty of cutting space, double sinks here, and there's storage all around. You got storage here next to the microwave, storage down here, and then you got the stainless steel Furrion with the steel top on it with three burners on there. Then your pantry is going to be located here on this area. Look at that, that's a ton of space that you get in the area. And you get your North Cold refrigerator, definitely a ton of room as well here. And some additional storage here in the bottom for your pots and pans. And coming around to this side, you get all your underneath sink storage. They did a really great job on this as far as storage and style for this. You got your 50-inch TV here, and then some storage here for some movies and such. The Thomas Paine seats are removable, so you can remove them and unhook them if you needed to create some more additional space. They are going to be recliners, so they're going to be pretty comfortable there. And then now going back to the garage area, before we head in there, you do have a bunk up here on top, so you do get extra sleep there. This is set up for an additional TV, so we can always set up a mount here for you if you need an extra TV for the back. And here's the extra bath and a half that I was mentioning. So you do have your bunks here. The bottom two will turn into an extra additional bunk as well, so that you'll have plenty of sleep. Sleep a total of 4 people there. So you do have also your bed lift here to get that all set up so that you got plenty of room for anybody that's staying with you. And then right there by the door you do have your bug screen that will go down. Let me show you guys that real quick. Okay, and I did want to point out that you do get ducted AC as well. On top of the bunk area, you do also get that. One thing, particularly, this is still going to be the Voltage. I do typically tend to touch on some of the construction aspects of it. They are still doing the full Lippard underbelly, so basically all your undercarriage, everything is built by Lippard. So if you're basically hauling these long distances and if you encounter any sort of issue, then you have one manufacturer that's going to back you up. And you're not going to have to be chasing multiple manufacturers, which is very, very important. Alright, so now walking into the bedroom area. Before we get into the bedroom area, we do have a Jack and Jill bathroom here with a big size shower there. Then we got a porcelain toilet there. Plenty of space there to put all the stuff that you need to. Toothbrush, razors. And we are offering a standard king size bed on all of our Voltage series. So that is going to come in pretty much every single Voltage and Triton now. They made that across the board. One thing that I did want to cover is that you still get the 3-year structural warranty on the Triton. It's still part of the Voltage family. Like I said, it's just a little bit lighter unit. So very, very important for those out here looking for a good quality manufacturer that's going to back up your purchase. So, and then you got 110 outlets on each side. You also have the reading LED lights on each side as well, and then some bookshelves there. So if you're taking, some books to read, got plenty of room there on that side. You do have the option for an additional TV, so you can mount that on there. One more thing that we did want to point out is that you do have ducted heating all throughout the unit. Your whole back garage is still insulated. They still continue to do that. I know there's a lot of toy haulers out there that they'll stop their insulation right at the garage, but it's pretty important because you still have people sleeping in the back, so you want to make sure that they're comfortable. So this is the perfect unit if you're going to be traveling with a lot of people. You do have 12-volt heated pads on your tanks as well, so you're going to be able to take this unit all year round and not have to worry about it. Thanks again, guys, for joining us on another walkthrough. Today I had the pleasure of showing you our Voltage Triton 3531. If you have any questions or comments that you'd like to leave, please go ahead and leave them below. My email will be listed below as well. You can reach me there, or just come on in, and like always, you're gonna like it here.
Living each day at your own pace, moving down the road from place to place. We can make your dreams come true in your very own